Hello everyone. Welcome to the step-by-step tutorial on how you can complete the LMS setup and you can start your learning journey at Inline Tech. Before we start with the tutorial, I would like to give you a brief about Inline Tech. Inline Tech is an ISO certified company that provides high quality training, mentorship, and industry based projects to prepare interns for real world challenges. Now, I would like to provide you the basic roadmap of your internship journey. The first step involves the registration part. Once you will be enrolling or registering yourself, we will be sending you the offer letter. Simultaneously, we will be providing you the LMS portal access credentials. Once you will complete your sign up process on your LMS portal, you can start your learning journey using the self-paced learning modules. After that, you have to pick one of the projects which is given on your LMS dashboard. Either you can pick those projects which are given on your LMS dashboard to submit in order to complete your internship, or you can submit one of your individual projects. Once after the submission of your project, you will be rewarded with the internship certificate and the letter of completion. So now it's time for us to deep dive into the step-by-step tutorial on how you can complete your sign-up process. Once we will be sending you the access of your LMS dashboard, you will receive a mail which will look like this. You have to click on complete your sign up option. After clicking on complete your sign up option, a new page will be redirected, and here you have to give your full name followed by your email ID, and you have to create a password for your LMS dashboard. Please make a note everyone, you have to keep your password saved with you for future reference. After completing the sign up process, you have to come on the website inlinetech.podia.com. After coming on this website, you have to click on login, and then you have to give your email ID followed by the password that you have created just now. After that, you have to click on login option. Once you will click on login option, you will come inside your LMS dashboard and you are good to continue your learning journey. On the left hand side of your LMS dashboard, you will find a list of important things like the project submission form, the list of different projects as per your domain, the handwritten notes, and when you will scroll down further, you will be getting the recorded self-paced learning modules. After going through the learning modules, you have to click on the complete option, which you can find here on the right below corner, so that we can track your learning journey at Inline Tech. In case if you have any kind of doubts or queries during your learning journey, you can reach out to your mentors by using the chat icon which is given in the bottom right corner of your LMS dashboard. When you will give your queries here in the chat icon, the dedicated mentors will be reaching out to you as soon as possible. So the sixth step is the project submission step, everyone. Either you can submit one of the projects which are given on your LMS dashboard. If not, you may also go ahead and submit your individual projects as per your internship program. You will be getting the project submission form right here on the left hand side of your LMS dashboard.